Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Today we will do weekly forecast from 13th April to 17th April. मतलब आने वाले नेक्स्ट वीक में क्या क्या इवेंट्स क्या क्या हो सकती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल एनालाइज निफ्टी. नाउ if we will analyze nifty on the weekly time frame based on Ichimoku analysis, you will analyze that right now exact. Now Ichimoku system has conversion line, baseline, लीडिंग स्पैन, लैगिंग स्पैन एंड इसको कंबाइन करके क्लाउड्स कैन ऑल्सो बी formed here. But if he will analyze on the weekly time frame, right now exact your conversion line, blue line exact compressed here. मतलब ये एग्जैक्ट एक ही पॉइंट पर आ गए हैं. मतलब एक्चुअल व्हाट इट हैपेंस व्हेन दिस टू लाइन crosses or comes closer, chances of market moving one direction happens there very fast. So last time it has touched here and then single side market directional movement of approximately 1800 points. Similarly, it has compressed here and then the downfall happens. Okay, nice. So now, candle is below both the line. दोनों लाइन के नीचे कैंडल है. बट राइट नाउ कन्वर्जन लाइन एंड योर बेस लाइन coincides. That's why chances of single side direction is important. Right now market is exact at the resistance level on the weekly time frame. मतलब ये जो हमारे लिए लेवल है, ये जो coincides level है 24050, it will act as a strong resistance level as the यहाँ पर जो मार्केट है नीचे है तो इसके लिए ये स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस का वर्क करेगा. नाउ इफ यू विल कम टू डेली टाइम फ्रेम, यू विल एनालाइज दैट सिंस 3rd Feb 2026 market was trading above the blue line and the red line and exact on 20 and exact on your 27th Feb market की entire candle has closed, entire candle not only the weeks, entire candle has closed below your both the line and then a sharp fall you can analyze due to war type of a situations. But right now it has crossed here blue line exact on 2nd April. It has formed the bottom and then it has crossed here conversion line. ठीक है, ब्लू लाइन. इसके बाद अभी जो इसके पास में यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस है व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड देयर, जहां पर दोनों लाइन कॉन्साइड्स कर रहे हैं. नाउ हियर इट हैज एग्जैक्ट योर रेजिस्टेंस. नो, सो अभी यहाँ पर मार्केट है. सो एग्जैक्ट रेजिस्टेंस इज 24265. अगर इसको मार्केट क्रॉस करता है देन यू कैन वॉच 24,800 एंड देन सर 25,200 ऑन द कार्ड्स. मीन्स इफ इट then you can watch it there 24,800 level. if it अगर ये 24250 को यहाँ पर आकर के क्रॉस करता है, एंड द नेक्स्ट लेवल यू कैन वॉच इट देयर, दैट इज ऑल्सो दिस लेवल 25,000 approximately. Now, but right now you have to focus here 24265 is the exact resistance level, which is the hurdles levels for the market. But right now market has created bottom and it has started moving upside now. As per Gann wave theory intersection method, both the waves intersects means first it has intersected before this 23rd Feb 2026 को इसने यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट किया था 23rd Feb यहाँ पर, एंड आफ्टर क्लोजिंग दिस, and it will simply come on 23rd Feb high and low, एंड एज ये वाली कैंडल जैसे इसके नीचे क्लोज किया, एंड आफ्टर दिस प्रॉपर रीटेस्ट इट हैज गिवन अ शार्प फॉल, एंड अगेन इट हैज कॉन्साइड्स हियर, दोनों वेव यहाँ पर आकर के कॉन्साइड्स हुए हैं, एंड द डेट इज 2nd April. So chances of market going down increases in that format, means here it has formed, and right now it is the hurdle level, so chances of coming down increases, and then from there it may go up as per WD Gann wave intersection method. Now, as per Hurst time cycle intersection method, now if you will analyze closely, when the two waves intersects, market forms either top or market creates single directional movement. Here it has taken, here two waves also coincides, and now this is the, here two waves and now this is the fall. Here two waves coincides and now a small movement, and now this is the fall. Here two waves coincides and now this is the rally. Now, if we will on 16 September 2024, these two waves coincides and it is the top, and now the market falling continuously. 9th June 2025, and then you have to focus on the July 1st of your July month, जहां पर दो वेव आकर के कॉन्साइड्स कर रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट 1st July एज पर योर major trend change. So it is the cycle of 56 weeks cycle, 392 calendar days and 56 weeks cycle. Now, as per market sentiment indicator, first time it has given bull sentiment here, then your bear sentiment, bull sentiment. Last time it has given bear sentiment when it breaks this wave, and now after touching this wave, after touching this line, when it has crossed, it has generated bull sentiment, and now it has given so far this much rally, and right now as per this market sentiment indicator, market is exact at this level, this is the hurdle level. If it crosses, chances of market going up increases. Now, GCP number, Gann combo number. Gann combo number indicates that For the next trading session, 13th April, Nifty will be highly bullish GCP number 24062. For example, suppose it is my Telegram, you can go and also join. Now, in the on Friday, I think, yes, it is Friday. I have posted this highly bullish GCP number 23228. Means, sorry, let me do this. No, 23228. So 232882 is your highly bullish GCP number 23882. मीन्स अगर इसके ऊपर मार्केट क्रॉस होती है एंड देन मार्केट डू रीटेस्ट दिस लेवल, चांसेस ऑफ मार्केट गोइंग upside increases. And now this is the target on your cards: 239492403624123. This is your target. So it has trigger first target and also it has trigger second target. So if you will analyze ninth your GCP level, ninth को मैंने क्या दिया था? लेट मी फाइंड कैन कॉम्बो नाउ. Highly bullish 24011. I have given highly bullish number 24011, which it has not touched here. It will 24011, which it has not touched here on your ninth. And highly bearish GCP number 2391. And simply come and mark these two levels. 239. Now, it has given डाउनसाइड क्रॉस, डाउनसाइड कैंडल ने आकर के क्लोज किया है, इस लेवल को क्रॉस किया है एंड एग्जैक्ट रिट्रेसमेंट डन हियर. सो यहाँ पर जाकर के यू कैन प्लान फॉर एनी शॉर्ट साइड एंट्री, बट इट इज माय पर्सनल व्यू, पर्सनल लेवल. Before planning any kind of investment, please do your own analysis and research. I am not a SEBI registered. Now you can plan. Again, it will come here और यहाँ पर आकर के कोई अगर bearish यहाँ पर sentiment create करता है, you can also plan for the short side. So similarly for the Monday, highly bullish GCP is this. इसके ऊपर बाई साइड, इसके नीचे शॉर्ट साइड. वेट फॉर द कैंडल टू क्लोज ऑन द टाइम फ्रेम 5 minutes and then wait for the price to retest. Similarly for the bank nifty, fin nifty, sensex, mid cap nifty, highly bullish GCP number, highly bearish GCP. Now weekly range. Weekly upside range for the next week Nifty is 24883, downside 23216. And today's means it is not for today, it is for Monday. Max movements that can be analyzed: 2436 for upside, downside 23735. Similarly, for the bank nifty, weekly range, daily range, pin nifty, sensex, and mid cap nifty, you have to focus on that. Now, this is my Telegram channel link, and I will share this link in the description box. So, don't worry. Now, it is the max pin price level. मीन्स मैक्स पेन प्राइस लेवल इंडिकेट्स कि अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे आती है मंडे को, सो Try to close the long position and you can plan for the short position. इसके नीचे sellers are more aggressive, more and more panicness in the market. Similarly, for the Bank Nifty, if it crosses 55123, more panicness in the market, it is the seller side area and you have to focus on this target. And मैक्स गेन लेवल, अगर निफ्टी 24083 के ऊपर में क्लोज करता है, 24083 means if nifty closes above 24083, it is the area of the buy side, so you have to plan for the long side. It is the buyer side area, so I have given name where the chances of max gain increases. This is for your maximum pain or panicness. This is for your more and more upside bullish. अच्छा, फॉरेक्स गोल्ड की आने वाली जो हमारी वीकली रेंज है वो अप साइड रेंज है 5012, मैक्सिमम डाउन साइड इट कैन ट्रिगर 4485 एंड द daily range for the Monday is 4848 upside range and the downside range is 4649. Now it is my GAN TCD level for the XAU USD Gold Monday. You have to plan for any long side entry when any candle closes above this and then price to retest. This is your entire target 1, 2, 3, 4. And if any candle closes below this level and then price to retest, you can plan for the short side. It is the stop loss for the long side, it is the stop loss for the long. It is only my analysis, my view. I am not SEBI registered, so I am not recommending any buy or sell or any kind of taking position. Before taking any position, do your own analysis or your own research, or you may also consult your advisor. Now, TCD combo stocks for the next day, that is you have to focus OFSS, DB, Mahindra and Mahindra. You can find the intraday TCD GAN level like your Forex gold and plan for the you, you will you will normally get there by above, momentum sell below. You can also find magical time using your Excel or anything I have provided, and then calculate the magical time, mark the high and low, and then plan for your entry. Next, price time synchronization happened on index. So you have to plan for market will be more and more volatile and trendy on Monday. You have to find that a single side directional movement will happen on in Nifty after 920 to 940. Means what? Means that after 920 to 940, after 920 to 940, a single side directional movement may happen in the Nifty. So you have to focus on that. For example, there, suppose price time synchronization. It is 920 and it is your 940 candle. So if you will analyze this and then you will plan. So single side, one-sided directional movement may happen on Monday due to price time synchronization. Magical timing candle for index is 1010 to 1015, 125 to 135. Now, Astro Impact. Panchak will start Next week, April 13, and it will end on April 17. It is your Raj Panchak. Panchak has your different Mritu Panchak Raj. So it is your Raj Panchak. You have to combine this with three yogas and find market sentiment. Now, Panchak range what I have given. Breakout above 23862. This is and also breakdown. So last time when your Panchak happens, पंचक लेवल इंडिकेटिंग दैट अगर 22930 के नीचे अगर क्लोज होता है 22930 मींस दिस इज योर लेवल 22930. Let adjust the body. Any kind of a breakdown below this happens. So next target on the car 22574 2235421. So it has hit 22 It has also trigger target 2. But 22991. Okay. Yes, it has triggered all the targets. No, not all. 22354. Yes, it has triggered target 2. Now, similarly, if any candle breaks above this between the previous पंचक and the next पंचक अगर इसके ऊपर कैंडल क्लोज करती है you have to focus on this target till the next panchak. It is valid till next panchak. And now अच्छा in my previous weekly forecast, I have previously told that Nifty has formed a bed kind structure at the top. If you will go and watch bed kind of structure there, it is the bed stand. तो जब जब ये स्ट्रक्चर मार्केट में फॉर्म होती है चांसेस ऑफ पैनिकनेस इंक्रीजेस. It has formed around your fib before war kind of a situations. मैंने ये यहाँ पर प्रिडिक्ट किया था. Now here it has formed at the top in sir 2021 and now then the sharp fall in the market has been analyzed. Now again it it has formed your bed kind of structure and then the sharp fall in the market has been analyzed. Again, here it is at the top, it has formed bed kind of a structure. It is the bed, it is a stand. And now you can analyze that. And now you can analyze that it has fallen very sharp. So I have told that earlier before war kind of a situations. ये जब आपकी मार्च मंथ स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था तब की बात है कि इट हैज फॉर्म्ड हियर दैट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर देयर एंड नाउ अ sharp fall happens. Coming to Nifty daily time, I have told that before war kind of a situations. Nifty has formed bed kind structure there. It is first stand, second stand, third stand, fourth stand, and then war type of situation started there, and then this is the panic fall. So you have to remember when this kind of a pattern is formed at the top, not everywhere, हर जगह नहीं, जब ये टॉप पर आकर के फॉर्मेशन होती है, देन चांसेस ऑफ मार्केट फॉलिंग और पैनिकनेस इंक्रीजेज इन द मार्केट. नाउ सिमिलर फॉर द बैंक निफ्टी पंचक्र. नाउ Bhadra will start. It is not at the market time. April 13. Bhadra will end around 1:16 early in the morning. So ये market time पर नहीं है. Avoid this now. Next April 15 भद्रा start हो रही है around 10:31 p.m. at the night. And April 16 ये भी market start होने से पहले. So these two Bhadra has no impact on the market. Now, astrological trend change date next is 26 to 27th April is the trend change date. Gold trend change date, sorry, it is 24th April. Gold trend change date is 24th April, and then most effective date for the XAU gold or your MCX gold is the 6th May. So entire analysis is for educational purpose. You have to plan your own analysis before any kind of entry or any kind of investment. It is my Telegram channel. I will share link in the description. If you like my weekly forecast, please press the like button. Have a nice day. God bless everyone.